to showcase what our students are doing is an opportunity for the community to come together and really support the value of art.
All the schools from across the county just to get to come here and really show off all the amazing talent that we have here, like shows and like art programs and the choral departments. It's really amazing and fun.
It's like important that we share music with like the public, and so when all the schools come together, you can hear all different like types of music, like the choirs and the orchestras and the band.
It shows your creativity. It's awesome.